is Ujjawal Taneja and I am from Delhi. I work with a IT company in Gurgaon. I came to know about this workshop through my friend. So I always wanted to join this workshop for a long time now. And today I got the opportunity to attend this workshop. I came here without any expectation, and here I got to know about many new things. And the way the mentor conducted this workshop was very well. And uh, I got to know about new things, many new things now today, and that forced me to go through the brainstorming. So a lot of queries got resolved, but many more new questions got evolved in my brain. So and the kind of ambience here, the kind of other people here who attended this workshop, that really helped me, and it really motivated me to go through a next level of programs also. So I am looking forward to that too, and I would like to recommend this program for other seekers who are really going through the phase of finding their higher self.